In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. This badge appears on your Instagram profile after you create a Threads account. And right now, the only way to get rid of it is to delete your Threads profile entirely. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. And I'll also explain what you should keep in mind before you confirm anything. First, open Threads and go to your main home dashboard, the For You or Feed screen. This is the default view you see when you launch the app or log in on the web. Make sure you're signed into the same account that's linked to the Instagram profile where you see the Threads badge. Once you're on the home dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This will open up an additional menu with different options related to your account and app settings. In that menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Threads keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and profile-related tools. It may look simple, but it's the main place where you can manage what happens to your Threads profile. Inside Settings, look for the section called Account. Click on Account to open your account-specific options. This area covers things that affect the status of your Threads profile, including deactivation and deletion. Next, in the Account section, you'll see an option called Deactivate or Delete Profile. Click on that. This is an important screen, so take a moment to read what's shown there. Usually, you'll see a distinction between temporarily deactivating your Threads profile and permanently deleting it. To remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile, you need to fully delete your Threads profile, not just deactivate it. So on this screen, choose Delete Profile. When you click Delete Profile, Threads may show a confirmation message explaining what deleting your profile means, such as losing your posts and activity on Threads. Review that information carefully. If you're sure you no longer want your Threads account and you want the Instagram Threads badge to disappear, confirm that you want to delete your profile. Once the deletion is completed, the Threads badge should be removed from your Instagram profile since the underlying Threads account no longer exists. And that's it. By following these steps, you've used the only available method to remove the Threads badge from Instagram, deleting your Threads profile through the Threads settings.